You ready, boy? What? What, little Gio? What you got to say about that? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing, sir? Go ahead and talk to them. Would you say something? You gonna say anything? You need to say something, man. Quiet now, the camera's on. You was just talking. What's up with you? What's up, buddy? Hmm? You're real quiet now. Acting real funny right now. You're acting real shaky right now, sir. Well, little Jill, come on, holler at the people, man. Let them know you be doing stuff, man. Get all camera shy, man. Get something out of you. Getting all camera shy. Look at this dude. Look at you, ticklish. You ticklish? You ticklish? What? 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 Come on, show off, man. Show off. Getting big, man. You can't even stretch your damn legs out. Stretch your leg out. How tall you are, looking like a giant. Hi to you too. Get that damn fist out your mouth. Get that fist out your mouth. Go on, do that shit, man. Do it like you really knew it, man. Do it. Show how much you can talk if you want. What, mama? What's up, Bubba? What's up? Hello, Moto. Hello, Moto. Hello, Moto.
Hello.
What? That's right. What? What are you doing now? What are you doing there? Oh. Uh-oh. There we go, y'all. What else, little man? Say hello. Say hello. You got the cutest eyes. The cutest face. You have the cutest face. What? What's up, big guy? Let's see if I can stretch your damn leg out. I can't. Can I see it? Can you relax it? Show how long you are. Can you get these? Come on. Come on. Thank you. Look at that goddamn long boy there. He's big. He's tall rather for now. Aren't you, little Gio, Baby J? You're so handsome. You handsome, huh? You handsome, huh? You handsome, huh? And you handsome, huh? I let everybody, I put this on there so they can hear you talk. They ain't really heard you talk. Okay? I want them to hear you talking too, for it to be good. What? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I gotta change you. Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed some of little Baby J's words. Some of Baby J's talk. He's getting so big. Look at him. This is my beautiful son. Grandson, people's grandson, people's great grandson, people's nephew, people's cousin, people's uncles, and you have some aunts, nieces. No, you don't have no nieces. You have an auntie. You have one auntie, I think. You got a whole bunch of other people I never met. Okay? It's your time, son. They also left this, whoa, you still talking? We got his room going now. This I got from my mother's house. This was at my mother's house. That was on my mother's wall. Hold on, little Gio. Here, let me show him what I got from Mama. Okay, Nana, before she died, she gave us the tree that was in her house. I know you know that, Fatine. That's the ornament I got for Andrea, the baby rocker. So when she was gonna breastfeed. That's them trees she had on the wall. We put there. That's the other one over there. So it's split. That's the baby's crib right there, and a few toys. And I want to vacuum in here. We just moved the bed out of here. I don't know if I want the crib right in the window. I think we leave it in the corner just to have room. He has so many different toys. So the crib is nice. Here's the thing that Andrea fell asleep to. So that's a projection thing. Light up damn turtle. Little bath, and this outside family going toward my kitchen. And that's actually everybody on the refrigerator. Wish you could see it. That was like my mother and him. Pictures of my sister and my mother on the refrigerator. Okay. What's up, little man? Some of his diaper books and books I read to him every day. How you doing, sir? You ready? Ready for me to get you taken care of? Huh? Alright, everybody. I'm going to change them. I love you. Take care. Bye, everybody. Say bye-bye.